I'm back. Been missing for the past few months. Here's what happened and here's what I realized. I realized na there's one problem that I have. Hindi ako consistent. Bakit nga ba hindi ako consistent? Bakit nga ba I stopped doing the things that I do? One factor is I'm trying to perfect the things. I'm trying to be perfect. I'm trying to be the perfect model for you guys. Girl, wala talagang perfect na tao. And you will never come to a point na perfect ka. Kahit na madami ka ng achievements in life, marami naka-acknowledge sa'yo, marami ka ng subscribers or followers, marami nang nai-inspire sa buhay mo, you can never be perfect. You will never be perfect. So, why wait to be perfect when you can never be perfect? Sabi nga, 'di ba? You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Same with perfection, 'di ba? You don't have to perfect everything. Just start and then along the way, ma-realize mo, ito pala yung need ko na improvement. Ito pala yung need ko pang gawin to become better. Becoming 1% better than you are is mas okay kaysa doing nothing kasi nga naghihintay ka ng perfect timing. There is no perfect timing. There's no perfect opportunity. Just get out there and be present and show yourself. So right now, while doing this video, I want to impart and become an example ng term na basta gawin mo, just do it, 'di ba? Kaya pala just do it siya. Kasi you just have to do it. And then you are creating the life that you want. And one another factor is maybe I'm trying to be someone I'm not. If you're trying to be someone you're not, 'di ba? That's the uncomfortable way of showing up. 'Di ba? If people demand you to be like this, to be like this is the standard, this is the world standard, gawin mo to para may manood sa'yo, and then habang ginagawa mo para lang may manonood sa'yo, you're not happy about it and you're not comfortable about it, and it shows. It will show na hindi mo gusto yung ginagawa mo, it will show na parang hindi natural yung paggawa mo, 'di ba? Ikaw nga as viewer, 'di ba, when you see people na parang scripted siya, you cannot connect to people na parang scripted siya. Because we are not born as actors and actresses, 'di ba? So you cannot take it really. And today while doing this video, I'm coming back because I wanted to show the people that I may not be perfect or you may not be perfect, but you can still do things to inspire others. If you cannot inspire others, it could inspire yourself. Previously, I was just browsing YouTube. I go back to my account, watch my old videos, and I realized this thing na, wow, okay din pala maggawa ng content, no? Kasi it's like your life diary. Something to look back na ito yung ginawa mo when you were younger. Ito yung ginawa mo nung year na ganito. And then habang pinapanood mo siya, ang ganda kasi nakikita mo, hindi mo siya nire-reminisce just by your memories eh. 'Di ba? You are reminiscing it and nakikita mo yung video, napapanood mo yung video na in di ko ma-explain kung paano, pero nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa video, not just inside your memory. 'Di ba kasi pag memory parang walang kulay, hindi mo masyadong ma-detailed, pero when you watch yourself on YouTube, your past videos, you see na, wow, ayun pang pinagagagawa ko sa life ko, no? Ayan, what made me come back is I'm scrolling sa threads and then there's a post from Gary V that says Gary V is warning you about create content way back 2018, and then parang pinakita yung mga video niya to present and what changed. It's just a random feed. It's just a random content. And then it hit me at the right time. Nag-comment ako doon, sabi ko, although alam ko hindi siya magre-reply, I was asking like, I have this old YouTube and this is the content, and I was wondering if I should make a new one or I should continue where I left it. And then I don't know who Gary this is, but thank you whoever you are that says continue. But before I saw that reply, I already posted my YouTube content. So I posted my YouTube, bagong content, and then browse to the threads, and then wow, ang sabi doon, continue. And then I reply, I just posted just now. 'Di ba? It's the same day I posted, it's the same day I read that comment. So what are your expectations on my next post? It will be a journey. So kaya pinalitan ko yung intro ko. It will be like journey with me. So before it was specifically fitness with Celeste, and then during my travel it was like a mini series on my YouTube, the Day Ride series. So it will be anything under the sun, all of my realizations, all of my journals, all the books I've read, all the tips of food nutrition that I eat that I can share. I want to show you guys, my viewers, or sino mang mabump ng mga content ko, that creating a content doesn't need to be expensive. It doesn't need to be pure luxury. It just have to be being yourself, the natural yourself. And I want to show na you can also do it even without those fancy things in your life. Because sometimes, akala natin yung content creation is more of luxury, if you can afford this, if you can go there. But this content will be something to learn because this is life's journey. Diba? We are all a human being, and I realize we are not a human doing. We should be all becoming the person that we wanted, and how to write the life that you want, because at the end of the day we are all the author of our life. We decide what we become, we decide ano yung life na gusto natin for ourselves, and we decide ano yung future na nakaabang sa atin. So for my next content, it will be more of that. I'm so excited kung saan ako dadalhin, kung sino yung mga taong makikilala ko during this journey. This is just me as a person, as a being, telling you na don't be afraid to try again. Na walang masama kung magsisimula ka ulit. Walang mali kung babalik ka sa scratch, babalik ka sa zero. Walang mali doon. What's wrong is that you stop and you let your dream die together with the regrets that we have. So, journey with me. Let's go out there. 'Di ba? Experience things, experience life. Let's have the freedom to share to one another our learnings, our journey. Remember that there is nothing to lose, but it is more than gaining. And what you're gaining is gaining back yourself. So today, I'll decide, I'll show up, I'll be present, I'll post more, I'll share more, I'll talk more, and inspire more to get back to the real being of myself. So again, this is Celeste. We got this. I'm rooting for you, and see you on my next videos.